Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, main girl Mia. Today we are going to be doing some scarf styling. I have so many cute scarves that I got from NPTressTreats, and I was like, instead of wearing them to bed all the time, I should really try styling them. Like, I should really try switching it up because, you know, I love a good wash and go. Do not get me wrong, I love a good wash and go. Like, I will never get sick of a wash and go. Summertime is approaching and it is time to switch up the wash and go a little bit. It's time to give the curls a little flair. And scarf styling is so easy. There's a couple different styles I'm gonna go over today, but like, you can do so many more things with the scarf. If you're a fan of videos like this, please don't forget to do all the good stuff, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below so that we can chat. And my scarf came from NPTressTreats. I swear by this business. It is a small Black owned business, and I actually have an affiliate code that I will drop here. And I'll also leave it down below so that you can save money on your purchase. So this is the scarf we're gonna be using today. And I'll link this scarf down below as well. I really like this scarf because it's black, but it has like pops of color in it. So like, you could wear something green, pink, or purple. I'm sticking with something black. I really need to do some shopping. So the first style that we are going to do, I think, is super cute for summertime. You're gonna start off with the scarf in a triangle fold. You're gonna take the scarf and put it over your curls like so. You'll kind of distribute your curls like under here, like how you want them to lay once this is down. My hair is fine the way it is. So just gonna take it. You're gonna pull it very tight. It is going to slide because it is silk, but you pull it very tight. I kind of grab back here while I'm pulling, and then you can just readjust. And I pull it down more than like where I want it, so that when I tie it and it raises, like, it's still in a good position. I know it looks really loose. Tighten and pull and adjust. And I'm gonna tie it again for more security. And boom. Okay, super cute, super easy style. I feel like this is good for like going to the beach, like if you're gonna be outside and like you want to wear your hair down but you don't want it really like in your face. I feel like this is a really good go-to. So this was style number 1. Just easily slide it off like this. Just fluff a little. Boom. Style number 2 is more like a headband. Definitely good to use if you want to spice up your wash and go. So again, you start with it in a triangle, and then from here you want to fold. So I'm going to fold the triangle, like the corner, into this, into the outer part, and I'm going to fold that part down so that I have this. You can fold it down again if you want something a little thinner, which is what I'm going to do. So you have this. So I'm going to start at the back of my neck, bring it up. Okay, you're gonna take this, cross over like so. You're gonna pull it nice and tight and bring it back around to the back, and then tie it in the back. So you can leave it like this or adjust it to your liking. I'm gonna move this to the middle some more and actually let my ears come out and lower it in the back. You got a cute little headband. Yes, this is style number 2. Like I said, very easy, quick little way to spice up that wash and go. So this was style number 2. So let's undo this. For style number 3, you're gonna leave your scarf just the way it was for the last style. You're gonna start in the front, but it's easier if you flip your head over and tie it while your head is down. And same thing when you're done. You come up, you can adjust. And I like this one because you bring the scarf over to the side. It's so cute. Just kind of let it flow because you're gonna have extra pieces. And you just let that come down. Super cute for summertime. Okay, I'm gonna undo this. The last one is actually going to be an updo. We're going to go back to our original triangle. like so. I'm gonna flip my hair down, and this part, not the triangle, this part at the base of the neck. You're gonna gather all of your hair up at the top and cross over at the front. And when you bring this around, you want to bring it around to like the base of where like a ponytail holder would be. And you're gonna tie it tight. And bring it back to the front. And tie it and secure it up here. And then you twist these and tuck them. And so you have this updo going on. At night, I actually wrap my hair very similar to this. So I have a couple reels on my Instagram of how I get it like this, and then I throw my bonnet on and I wake up to a flawless curls. Okay, so this was the final look. Take this down. That concludes this video. Like I said, 4 very easy summer quick scarf styles for you to spice up your wash and go. Even if your hair is looking kind of dry and it's almost wash day, like those styles will actually work for you as well, so that you can extend your curls until you're ready to wash your hair, especially that last one. As always, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you did make it this far, if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my weekly content. I will see y'all next time. Bye.